What's poppin', everybody? It's Petros Papadakis, and coming up in May in Redondo Beach, the BeachLife Fest. Be there. I will. What does beach life mean to me? I guess it's just life, because I grew up by the water my whole life. Well, I really want to see Willie Nelson. I mean, Willie Nelson is a special artist, one of the great artists of the 20th century, one of the great singer-songwriters, and it's amazing that he's coming down to the South Bay and doing a show. Bob Weir from the Grateful Dead. I mean, come on. I mean, these are musical icons. Brian Wilson from the Beach Boys. Hawthorne High School, one of the great musicians and arrangers in music history. I mean, Pet Sounds. Come on. He's going to be doing Smile. That stuff is amazing. And then just selfishly for my upbringing, Steel Pulse is a wonderful band. Best Coast is a really cool band. I wish he was my boyfriend, too.